Hi guys, so for today's video I am going to tackle about the craft system. So this is under this one. If you click this little icon here, just click that one and then tap the craft, this one, and just tap this craft tab and you will see the equipment evolution here. So here we will talk about equipment evolution. So first things first guys, the first tips and tricks that I want to share with you guys is to make sure that your equipment is on the same evolution level. So as you can see here, I have evolution of plus 10 and to the bottom. So I have here some plus 9, so I need to level up this one. So I am suggesting you to make it uh, the same level. As you can see here, we have here the plus 10. And another thing guys that I want to share with you is by checking your equipment. So if you want to prioritize a specific stats for your class or character, so just tap or click this equipment that you want to evolve, for example this one, and as you can see there is a preview here that after you evolve you will see the new stats. And as you can see here, if I evolve this one, you can see that it is evolve level 5. Okay, then you will see an additional stats that will be added on that particular equipment. So the other thing guys is just tap here the preview and you will see that I have here the acquired stats available on the current level of my equipment. And if you are trying to evolve on the next level, which is evolve 5 level, then you will acquire this one. So again, it is random acquisition, and as you can see, you can get attack for plus 3%, shock rate, and hunting HP recovery. And also you can check this one here and tap preview. Then there is also a different stats that you can gain. So if you are planning to get more critical damage, so I think this is the one that you need to prioritize for your equipment. Okay, then the other one, if we check this one as well, and another stats will be acquired for your character. So as you can see, there's a depth. So I think this equipment, if you evolve this one, you will gain more depth stats, this one, and resistance for plus 1%. So remember guys that percentage is very good for your class. uh, Let me show you this one. This is a fixed stats wherein it only adds your current stats to this one. But when you going to evolve and you have this stats which has a 3% depth, then it will have a huge amount of improving or boosting your stats. So that is the or I mean that is how you can try to check your stats, current stats, and then the um, possible stats that you will gain if you are trying to evolve your uh, equipment. So remember guys, make sure that you level or evolve this equipment on the same level before you proceed to other levels. So example, I have completed this one to plus 10, which is evolve 3 level. So if I evolve that to evolve 4 one, then make sure that it will all be on that the same level. So that's it guys. That's it guys. Thanks for watching. Hope this video helped for you, and if you have any question, just leave a comment below and we will try to answer that question. So bye for now.